Welcome back to my channel. In response to this question from a follower, this is the question. Okay, this is the question from this video is in response to a question to a follower from Sex Giz Oza. Sorry if I did not pronounce the name correctly. Segizoza. He said, "Thank you so much for this amazing video. Could you help me with something unrelated? I have a SafePal wallet with USD and I have the seed phrase, blah 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 blah. And it's not that good to expose your seed phrase. It's supposed to be meant private only for your consumption. So, but he goes along, he said, could you please explain how to move them to Binance? I now responded, you see Vincent John, I responded, yes, I'll make a video about that. So, this is in response to his video. He said I should help him. He has a SafePal wallet and he has USD on it. He wants to move them to Binance. So, to do that, I have been able over yesterday till this morning. I have been able to download the wallet itself, SafePal wallet, but I've been able to download the SafePal wallet. Let me show you. I have a little problem with where is the SafePal wallet? Okay, this is the SafePal wallet. I've been able to download the SafePal wallet, and I also have a Binance account. This is my Binance account. So just for this purpose, I've created a SafePal wallet so that I can demonstrate to him. Even though right now my Binance account is having issues. Let me check on my Binance account. Look at it. I've been trying to rectify the issue, but to no avail. Look at it. It's saying existing. I think Binance has really, look at it, rejected. So I don't know. It's existing account detected. So they want me to, I don't know. I don't just know. I will not be able to do exactly by following this this Binance. I wanted to do it with Safe and send it to Binance as well using my USD, but because I have some USD in my Binance as well, so I wanted to use my Binance in my USD and send it to SafePal, since he said, and maybe send it from SafePal again to Binance, but I'm having issues with my account right now. So since he said I think I will use only the SafePal and SafePal. So this is how it goes. Please, this is dedicated to my follower, my subscriber. Sorry, who said I should help him with a video on how to transfer his Binance, his USDT from SafePal to Binance. So, for example, if this is this is my own wallet, you can see this is my own wallet. Okay, so this is all the coins I have. Sorry, I've not funded this wallet yet, but this is all I have here. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tron, BNB, Polygon, and the rest. So, for example, if you had, since you say you have a USDT, you have to come to that USDT. You have to come to that USDT. For example, if this was your USDT here, you have to come to the USDT and where is it? Yes. Sorry. Okay. So you have to come here. Look at BTC. You have to come here and kind of buy using your USD. Using your USDT, you have to come here and buy BTC with your USD. Once you buy BTC with your USD, you see pay. It will kind of convert. You understand? It's because I don't have any currency here. I don't have any currency here. That is why it is showing me, because I don't have any currency, any money, any USD. So, but if I had, you come here, you have to buy or sell. So you have to click here and buy USD. Once you pay here, once you buy USD, that means once you buy USD here, look at your receiving address. This is my wallet now. This is my wallet. This is my BTC wallet. So after you buy the USDT, so your USDT now will not be USDT anymore. It will be BTC. Once you bought the BTC and this is your address, you go back to your you go back to your Binance. You go back to your Binance. For example, you go back to your Binance account. Once you go back to your Binance account, it's not letting me in here. I wanted to demonstrate to you, but once you go back to your Binance account, let me use for example, if this was your Binance account too, you go back to your Binance account, then you look for where BTC is, okay, on that other Binance account. For example, if this one is your Binance account, you look for BTC, and you press on receive. Once you press on receive, you are going to it's going to show you an address here. Okay, so you copy this address. This is the address you will show you. So you copy this address. Press copy. Once you copy the address, you kind of go back to your. Once you copy this address, you kind of go back to your SafePal. This is the address you copied from Binance. The address of BTC you copied from Binance, please. It's because my Binance is not available. My account they are tightening their security from Binance account. So that is why I am not able to use it. So once you go back to your Binance, once you copy that address from Binance, you come back to your SafePal address, then you say send here. Once you click on send, now you send here, you now search for the account. You search for the account you wanted to paste. You understand? You search for the account. Since this is this is, you can see send, you can see receive. Okay, so you now send it. You understand? It will bring all your address here. You now send it. You say your wallet has no assets to send. It's because I don't have a USDT on my account right now. If I had, it will come here. It will write BTC. Then I will paste that address to send to Binance. That Binance address, you send it to BTC. in a matter of moment, you are going to see your balance back to your BTC. So after you send from your SafePal, you now come back here, come back to your Binance. You come back to your Binance and check your Binance balance. You see the account has reflected. Just give it maybe 2-3 minutes, because Bitcoin transaction is very fast. So you see the reflection of that account. I don't know if you understand me. So please, if you have any other question, you write on the comment section. I'm here to help anybody who has issues with his Bitcoin or with his cryptocurrency problems. In summary, what I mean is, one, you first convert the USDT in SafePal wallet to any cryptocurrency you need, like BTC, LTC, UTC, Ethereum, any BTC, any cryptocurrency you want. You can first of all convert the USDT on your SafePal account to any cryptocurrency you like. For example, BTC, LTC, UTC. Secondly, after the conversion, you go back to your Binance and click on the name of the coin you have converted to on the SafePal account. For example, now you go back to your Binance account, click on the, if you have converted to BTC, you click on BTC account. Then after you click on the BTC account, the next third summary is click on receive or copy the BTC address on the Binance wallet. So once you go to the Binance account, you click on the BTC and then you copy the address on the Binance wallet. Once you copy the address in the Binance wallet, you go back to SafePal account and click on send and paste that wallet address you copied from Binance and paste it on the wallet address. You paste it and send it and click on send. In less than 2 minutes, the account will be reflected. The last option is on the wallet, on the Binance wallet as BTC. It will just reflect at BTC. Then if you like, you can change it back to USDT, or you can leave it at BTC, or you can change it to any cryptocurrency. But right now, it is on the Binance account. This is the summary of the video that I'm trying to explain to you. So in answering your question, please like, share, subscribe for more updates on BTC like this. Thank you. If you are a crypto wizard like I am, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates on cryptocurrency. Thank you very much.